guys, we are here as Go UseTech. These are some of our students who have been trained in counter book making, and today we have decided to give them some material so that they can go and make money. We want them to be more experts in bookmaking, and any support that you feel like you can still give them, they are willing to get the support. So these are the ream of papers we have given them. This is glue to support them when they are putting the marbles on the hardboards. These are marbles. These are the marbles they use like when they are making books. The threads when they are putting the whatever thread on the books, and then these are called the hardboards. Yeah, so we are glad for the training that have gone through Go UseTech, and we wish them all the best as you're going to make the money. You have to know that in outside there is a lot of competitions, but what matters a lot is how quality are your materials or are your books. So I have nothing much to add there. You go and enjoy, and we shall be proud of you. Thank you so much.
For me, I thank